Hi, we are doing logarithm. Question is given log x to the base 10 is 2a and log y to the base 10 is b by 2. Now there are three portions to it. Let's concentrate on the first one first. That is write 10a, 10 raised to the power a in terms of x. Fine. So first we will take the log x to the base 10 is equal to 2a because we have to write 10 raised to the power a in terms of x. So now we know we will change this log in exponential form. How do we change the log into exponential form? If it is log a to the base b is equal to y, then this becomes b, the base remains the same, the power is in this a, the log is changed with the answer, that is b raised to the power y is equal to a. So log x to the base 10 is equal to 2a, which is given to us. Now this we will change it into exponential form. This will become 10 raised to the power 2a is equal to x. And now what we have to write, we have to see and concentrate on that thing also. 10 raised to the power a. That means this can be written as 10 raised to the power a to the power 2 is equal to x. 10 raised to the power 2a can be written like this. 10 raised to the power a and whole raised to the power 2 again. Fine. Now I have to omit this 2 because I want 10 raised to the power a. Fine. That means the powers I will multiply with half on both the side. So x will also be multiplied by with a power of half, and this side will also be multiplied with a power of half. Why did I do that? Because I wanted to omit 2. 2 को हटाना है because I want 10a, and 2 will be only removed when I will multiply the whole power with half. So this will become 10 raised to the power a. X raised to the power half is root x. So what is the value of 10a? It's root x. The first one is solved. Now we will see the second one. That is write 10 raised to the power 2b plus 1 in terms of y. Again, now we will take the second log, that is log y is equal to b by 2. That is log y to the base 10 is equal to b by 2. Same way what we will do here, we will put it in the exponential form. That is 10 raised to the power b by 2 is equal to y. Fine, we can do this. Now what is the case? What I want 10 raised to the power 2b plus 1. So पहले we will concentrate on this. We know in exponents what we know, 10 raised to the power n plus m है. That is, it is 10 raised to the power n into 10 raised to the power m. Fine. This is the case. When the base are same and the numbers are multiplied, the powers get added. So 10 raised to the power 2b plus 1 will become 10 raised to the power 2b into 10 raised to the power 1. Fine. So we have to write 10 raised to the power 2b into 10 in terms of y. Now we have got 10 raised to the power b by 2. तो मुझे सिर्फ b चाहिए. I have to remove 2. तो सबसे पहले what we will do, b by 2 into 2. Same way here also I will square the y. This side I have squared it with 2. Squared it, I mean only I have to say squared it. So y also I will square it. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled because there is no denominator of 2 over here. तो 2 को remove करना है. कैसे remove करेंगे? The whole thing will be, the power will be multiplied by 2. So this will become 10 raised to the power b is equal to y square. Now what I want? I want 2b. Same thing again I will do. 10 raised to the power b, the power multiplied by 2, squaring the power, you can say. Same way I will do this side also. So this will become 10 raised to the power 2b is equal to y raised to the power 4. Fine. Now what it is? we have, this is 10, what I need 10 raised to the power 2b into 10. So 10 multiply किया इधर भी, so 10 multiply किया इधर भी, right? So 10 raised to the power 2b plus 1, this is 2b plus 1 is equal to 10 into y raised to the power 4. Do step by step, you will get the answer. Now the third one. The third one is log p to the base 10 is 3a minus 2b. Again we will change it into exponential form. So this can be written as 10 raised to the power 3a minus 2b is equal to p. Fine. And again we know the rule of exponent, that 10 raised to the power m minus n is 10 raised to the power m divided by 10 raised to the power n. What does this mean? That if any two numbers with the same base are divided, the powers get subtracted. So 10 raised to the power 3a minus 2b will become 10 raised to the power 3a by 10 raised to the power 2b. Fine. In the first two calculation, I calculated 10 raised to the power a. What was my 10 raised to the power a? Let's check up. 10 raised to the power a was root x. So 10 raised to the power a is root x. Let's write it down. And here we even calculated 10 raised to the power 2b is equal to y4. And 10 raised to the power 2b is y raised to the power 4. We calculated from above. I have taken these two solution, right? So now what I have 3a, right? So 10a again raised to the power 3. Same way, root x means x raised to the power half, and this also the power is multiplied by 3. Why I am multiplying by 3? Because I want 10 raised to the power 3a. So this will be x raised to the power 3 by 2. Fine. And 10 raised to the power 2b is y raised to the power 4. It's already given. And 10 raised to the power 3a minus 2b is 10 raised to the power 3a by 10 raised to the power 2b. Putting the values of 10 raised to the power 3a, which we derived, is x raised to the power 3 by 2, and 10 raised to the power 2 by 2b is y raised to the power 4. So what we got? We got x raised to the power 3 by 2 by y raised to the power 4. Fine. So this is how we can get our answers.